here's the hydropark. Club Mac entrance is on the left. Everyone else on the right. So that's where you come in. You've got the shop there on your left. You've got cafe, restaurant, chairs. You've got the same over there. Cafe, restaurant. Right now over here you've got your kids pool. There's some small slides there. Now this pool, I'll try and show you the depth later of all the pools, but it does get a bit deeper over here, but if you stay on that side of it you're fine. And we've got another pool here which is of kids depth here. Right, 0.6 it says on there, and I think that's the full width of that. And that one there, these are like the adult slides. I'll get a measurement on those in a minute, I didn't check the other day. And then as you go over here, you've got these ones, and the kids are allowed on here. My boy who's 5, he's allowed on here, and he went down it with armbands, but they just put you on the inside lane here. Right, then they're not too horrific, these are pretty good, a bit slower. So you've got that one there, that's with an inflatable, and these ones you just slide down. The other thing to note is you've got a fast track up there, but they also let the kids on the fast track. So we are about to go on this one, aren't we? This one here. This one they let the kids on. Like I say, it's quite a narrow slide actually. This is the view for the slides. Those are the singles. Just lay down, backwards, go! Hey! Hi mate! Yeah! Well done! I got you! Oh good boy, well done! Alright, are you ready? Go! Here I go! Woohoo! Yeah! This is the wave pool. So this here is the wave pool. And as you can see, when there's no waves in it, it can just be used as a pool. It's got all the depths all along the wall, so you know what's safe for your child. And hopefully some perspective then on the rest of the park. That's the slides we've just been going on just over there. Then you've got these 2 other sort of wriggly ones that the kids are allowed on as well. And that one there, it's not as severe as it looks, to be honest. It's not like the ones that you've seen me on in previous videos in Menorca, which pretty much drop vertically and back up vertically. Here we go. So you go down, up the other side, and then that's about it really. So this pool here is 1.3 meters over this end, then it gradually works its way down over there to a child deck pool. Toilets are right underneath all that seating area there. Like I said, it's pretty family friendly. I mean, it's not as wild as some water parks you go to, but so for perspective, there's the adult slides we were just looking at. We're over the other side of the pool now. That slide there is 1.2 meter height limit. I just took a look at the sign. These ones are all the kids ones. Again, we've got another little restaurant and cafe, nice little area to have a beer if you want and sit down. The only thing is you do have to pay for everything. It's not included in the Club Mac all inclusive. This was all wet the other day and there's no water there, so I don't know what's going on here. Nice grassy area over the back, so you can sit down there, lay your towels out. All the lounges you have to pay for, they're for hire. A couple of euros each, so it's up to you. One other thing I would say about this is, this here is like the grippy concrete. When you get on this stuff, it's like the formed concrete, and I watched someone absolutely take a whopping the other day. He ran across there, slid on the shiny stuff, and off he went. This has just come on, so now you can see what this splash pad is like. You've got your big bucket up there, as always, standard.
Oh no! Oh.
This is one of the kids' slides. You've got to get your mats down the bottom like that. And to be honest, if they're little, they need a bit of a helping hand over the top, which I'm going to do now. You ready to go?
See, this is why I told you to come out.
I know, it didn't work, did it?
No! No, it's
Go on
not
then.
at all.
You ready? So the biggest you can be on here is 8 years old and 1.4 meters, and the height limit start from 1 meter tall. So that one's 1 meter. This one 1 meter 20. That one is 1 meter, and that one is 1 meter. There we go. Go! Fair play, these slides here are a brilliant little gateway to like the bigger slides, like those ones over there. Now my boy has been down those, he's 5, like I said, they let him down there and he was fine. But these are quite good little slides actually, and they're nice and safe. You can stand down the bottom, keep nice and wet in the splash park.
Now I'm gonna go down the cone slide. This is so fun.
There we are, left their brother behind. Get your head back! So plenty to do here, fair play. I don't know what it actually costs if you have to pay to come here. Obviously we're with Club Max, so it's all inclusive. And there's our hotel over there. So like I said, it's literally 100 metres down the road, it's perfect. The only thing is you have to pay for your stuff here. And bring water in with you, they don't like you bringing food in, they do check your bags.
So we're going on the massive snake.